he can come here. Let me show him talk. Guys, all South Africans were getting pulled. All South Africans were getting pulled. Every South African was getting pulled down. Every single South African was getting pulled down. Like, the other lady, she came in. Oh, she was giving. Her time wasn't even up yet. I was just surprised. She was taken down. I'm like, what rubbish here people is this? Oh, Mama, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. How are you? Yeah, guys, all of us, FBI udot. FBI claims sorry, but now when they came to South Africa 20 years ago, they were staying in the suburbs. They were not staying with black people. They were staying with white people. So I asked him, so when you left your country, you came to South Africa with a bag full of money for you to be able to have to leave your home and immediately shoot straight to the suburb, because he kept on saying, South Africa cannot afford. They cannot afford. But can we stop engaging them in these lives? I think for me it was just fun, Shem. I was just going off. And I think my main aim was just to piss people off. I asked them, did you come with a bag of money? Imagine, after they pulled me down, one stupid boy like that, he came in and he said, why are you asking him how much money he came with to South Africa? He said what? Are you interested in him? We don't use South Africans. I'm like, yeah, the one thing I want right now is some illegal FBI. Are you okay? We don't even know if he's legal or not. If he was legal, why would he be fighting this much? Especially to stay in the country. I don't understand. Jenny, I've never come across a live. Hi, Jenny. I don't normally do lives, but that live hour, guys, I was like, no. Let's discuss and debunk this rubbish. I've never seen something like that. Guys, whenever South Africans are being insulted, the host is so happy. He's laughing. Oh, who was there when that guy came, guys? The one that came with English that doesn't make sense. The ignoramusness, the conjunctivity of Macron. I'm like, what? I shame. Exactly. Barry, and used to open live, then if you are opposite to them, they remove you from the panel. They do that. Americans are also saying that they're being called lazy by them. But if they are such hard workers, why are they not working hard in their countries? This makes no sense. And then on top of that, they will have the gallbladder to say, oh, you are jealous of us. We're jealous of what? Not having an ID in South Africa. Is that the jealousy that we will be having? Some things just don't make sense. I don't get it. You will be telling us, oh, you're jealous. What are we jealous of? Of being illegal in South Africa. Which jealousy? Hi, Shem. Today, what I saw, that was actually crazy. Mama, I'm an base. Yeah, guys, that life was actually something else, Shem. I won't even lie. Yo, the way they were removing South Africans. Like, man. I'm telling you. But I just want to know if there's Google in Nigeria, Shem. Yeah, they must have Google because MTN is there. At least MTN is there for them to give them internet. You are so beautiful. Thank you. Hi, guys. We've gone through a lot. They don't want the truth. They don't want the truth. They really, really don't want the truth. Even if you were an asylum seeker 20 years ago, are you going to be an asylum seeker for life? Even your enemies, I'm sure they've died. Go back home. The people that were chasing you for you to be an asylum seeker, they are old now. They can't do anything. 20 years, they're no longer strong. It's safe. You can go home. 20 years is a long time. But did you see that generator voice interviewing Naledi Panda? No, I didn't see it. I've been in Nigeria. I'll tell you stories. Tell us, my sister.